Yeah, we have values and a mission statement and purpose.
But that is not what we're here to talk about.
We're more than just a bunch of written words.
More than wall art.
More than clever slogans.
It's like coming home.
It's like an angel-filled cream donut without any gaps in the filling.
Like chocolate chip cookies because they're the best thing ever.
Kind of like sharing load between a push pier and a building.
Like a freight train you don't want to get in front of.
It's like dancing.
It's like kickball with your boss.
And there's too much eccentricity, which causes a bending moment in the shaft of the push pier, which we don't want either.
Like a man hug between good friends, not between strangers. That'd be weird.
It's like really being involved in the community.
Perfect amount of sharing. And that's kind of what Sportworks is.
We're making honest impact.
Building people up.
Redefining industries.
We want to be the ones that are the gold standard.
We believe.
We believe.
Together.
Alongside.
Connecting.
Enthusiasm.
Copacetic.
Freedom.
Structurally sound. They want to do the right thing
Exceeding expectations.
day in and day out.
No bullshit.
I enjoy coming to work here every day.
Best place I've ever worked for, by far.
Yeah, we always have each other's back.
We believe more isn't only possible, it's happening here.